Join me as I try to plan the ultimate dream Disney vacation for 2025 and see if I can make it happen with just a limited budget. In this video, you'll learn how to effectively plan your dream Disney vacation for 2025, ensuring that you maximize your experience and budget. Many people wait until the last minute to plan their Disney trips, leading to stress, higher costs, and missed opportunities for reservations and discounts. This can be a major problem, especially if you're looking to save money or visit popular attractions. Last-minute planning can also limit your options for accommodations and transportation. People often underestimate the time and effort required to plan a successful Disney vacation. Planning a Disney vacation requires considering many factors, including the time of year, crowd levels, and special events. Failing to plan ahead can result in higher prices and lower availability for hotels, restaurants, and other activities. It's essential to think about what you want to achieve from your Disney vacation and start making decisions early on. By not planning ahead, you may miss out on unique experiences, such as character dining or special tours. These experiences often fill up quickly, so it's crucial to book them well in advance. You should also consider the age and interests of the people traveling with you to ensure that everyone has a great time. We'll explore essential steps to start planning now, such as choosing the right time to visit, budgeting booking accommodations, and making park reservations. The first step is to decide on the best time to visit Disney, taking into account factors like weather, crowd levels, and special events. Choosing the right time can help you avoid long wait times and make the most of your vacation. Budgeting is another critical aspect of planning a Disney vacation, as it can help you prioritize your spending and make the most of your money. You should consider the cost of tickets, accommodations, food, and other activities to ensure that you stay within your budget. Booking accommodations is also an important step, as it can help you stay close to the action and reduce transportation costs. Making park reservations is another essential step, as it can help you plan your day and avoid long wait times. You should consider the layout of the park, the location of your favorite attractions, and the times of special events to make the most of your time. By planning ahead, you can create a personalized itinerary that meets your needs and interests. The key insight is that early planning not only gives you access to better deals, but also allows you to customize your experience with dining reservations and special events. With a little planning, you can create a dream Disney vacation that's tailored to your interests and budget. Early planning can also help you avoid stress and make the most of your time, allowing you to focus on the things that matter most. By customizing your experience, you can create lasting memories and make the most of your vacation. You should consider what's most important to you, whether it's meeting your favorite characters, watching parades, or enjoying thrill rides. With early planning, you can create a vacation that's tailored to your unique interests and preferences. Early planning can also help you save money by taking advantage of special offers and discounts. You should keep an eye out for promotions and package deals that can help you reduce your costs. By being proactive and planning ahead, you can create a dream Disney vacation that's both fun and affordable. To summarize, early planning can enhance your Disney experience, save you money, and ensure you don't miss out on popular attractions and events. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on Disney tips and tricks, and leave a comment about your dream Disney vacation plans.